Welcome back to Sabda channel. Infiniti has announced that the newest QX80, which is the luxurious counterpart to the Patrol, will now come equipped with a brand new 3.5-liter twin-turbo petrol V6 engine, replacing the current 5.6-liter naturally aspirated V8. The power output of the new model is 335 kilowatts, a significant increase of 37 kilowatts compared to the current Patrol V8. Additionally, the torque has also been boosted by 138 Nm, now reaching 698 Nm. In comparison to the LandCruiser 300 twin-turbo diesel, it boasts an additional 108 kilowatts of power, although it falls slightly short by 2 Nm. On the other hand, the Lexus LX600 twin-turbo petrol V6 offers 30 kilowatts less and 50 Nm less torque. An upgraded 9-speed torque converter automatic will be installed, replacing the current 7-speed unit. The wider gear ratio of the new transmission will enhance acceleration and fuel efficiency, resulting in more responsive performance. The codename VR35DDT indicates that the 3.5-liter twin-turbo engine is an upgraded version of the 3.0-liter twin-turbo VR30DDT engine found in the Nissan Z sports car. The Infiniti now offers new features such as air suspension with adaptive dampers, resulting in a much quieter cabin due to increased torsional rigidity. Teased by the Infiniti QX monograph concept unveiled in mid-2023, the upcoming Infiniti QX80 will provide us with a detailed glimpse of the anticipated Y63 Nissan Patrol set to arrive in Australia by 2025. Both vehicles will have some similarities in their design. However, the spy shots indicate that the Patrol will feature traditional door handles and larger headlights, while the QX80 will have hidden handles and slimmer headlights. A production-ready Patrol prototype shown to US dealers had a striking resemblance to the Range Rover, featuring a more robust aesthetic with updated headlights and taillights. The interior has also been completely revamped, boasting a modernized design. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is set to make its debut on March 21, Australian time, just before the New York Auto Show. The 2025 Nissan Patrol will also be unveiled in the coming months.